Hi there, it's Wes from McGraw Hill. If you have an existing Connect course that you used from a previous year or semester, it's really simple to roll that over into the new year. You need to roll over your course because it will create a fresh set of student data for you to be able to go and use and make sure that the students aren't being confused with other students in the roster from your previous year. So to roll over your Connect course is very simple. All you need to do is find the section you want to roll over from spring 2021, for example, click the settings wheel, and then go down to duplicate section. That will then give me a new version of this course where I can change the name into spring 2022. And that's now rolled over. I'll now have a new link to share with the students and a new section that I can pair up with my LMS. As you can see in here, when we go in, the dates have also copied over. So if you are rolling your course over, please make sure that you're moving the dates so that students don't get a late notice for these resources. So making sure that you could go and grab the resources using the manage dates function and making sure that they reflect the date of your new running of the course. That's all for now. Speak to you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.